Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at three-step equations. Three-step equations. So three-step equations are similar to multi-step equations, but see, on these you've got a variable on both sides of the equation. And sometimes you have a constant or a number on both sides of the equation. So you'll have a number and a variable term on the left and a number and a variable term on the right, and you kind of confused with, like, what do? How do I get the variable? So what I'm going to do is clear that up in this video. Alright, so let's take a look. So the main thing I want to get across is that we're going to move the numbers to the right and letters to the left. So numbers or constant terms are going to move to the right, and numbers or variables or letters we're going to move to the left. Now, do you have to do it this way? No, but you want to move one way and the other way. So I choose this: numbers to the right, letters to the left. So let's take a look at the first example. So here on the number one problem here, we've got a variable term and a constant term, and a variable term and a constant term, a pair on each side here. So what you want to do is, like I said, numbers to the right and letters to the left. So I'm going to subtract this number or this constant on both sides. And I'm going to pick subtracting the 5 so that this will cancel out and be on my right side, numbers to the right. Alright, once I do that, the positive 5 and negative 5 will cancel out to 0, and I have negative 5 and negative 5, which equals negative 2. I've got a number on the right. Alright, next I want to do is I want to move the variable term to the left. So I'm going to add 4x on both sides. So I hit plus 4x and move it over here. Okay. And you're always going to go opposite whichever way you go. Alright, so now I have negative 9x, positive 4x, different signs, find the difference. 9 minus 4 is 5. And since the 9 is bigger, I got a negative 5. So my variable term or my letter is on the left. Now what I'm going to do is just divide the negative 5. That's going to leave me with x is equal to 2. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Okay, so on the second one, we're going to move the numbers to the right, letters to the left. So I'm going to add 3, always do the opposite here, with this negative 6 over here. So negative 6, positive 3, different signs, find the difference. That's going to leave me with negative 3 over here on the right. Now I'm going to move the letters to the left. I'm going to do the opposite of subtracting 6x and add 6x on both sides. That'll cancel this out. And now I have negative x and positive 6. Different signs, find the difference. Subtract, you get negative 3x is equal to negative 3. Got my letters to the left. And now I'm just going to divide by negative 3 on both sides. And x is equal to positive 1. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Okay, same thing. We're going to move the numbers to the right, letters to the left. So I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides. Got positive 2 minus 6. That's going to give me a negative 4. Different signs, find the difference. Different signs, find the difference. You get negative 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Keep it negative because the 6 is bigger. Now subtract 7x on both sides. Moving the letters to the left. Different signs, find the difference. 7 minus 6 is 1. And since the 7 is bigger, we leave it negative. Got my letters to the left. And now I'm just going to divide that negative 1 off of here. That's going to get me negative divided by negative is a positive. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Now keep in mind, right here, I had a negative 1x. If you get a positive x, then you're done. You don't have to do that extra step of dividing the 1, but you can, and it'll still come out the same way. Okay, so that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to give you a couple more practice problems that you can look at and practice and then look at the answers. But I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.